So you got this business and you got this brand strategy for this business, and you want to market on social media, specifically Instagram, but you don't know how to start, and you don't want to hire as a small business a social media marketing agency. Well, I'm going to go ahead and give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use ChatGPT 4 on how to create your Instagram content strategy and your Instagram posting strategy. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.
Learning AI, we're here to educate. Teaching the community AI tools the latest. Unlocking the potential, knowledge at your hands. Together we rise, ain't no limit on demand. Step into the future, join the AI revolution.
What's good, everyone? My name is Terrence. Welcome to Black Learning AI, an educational YouTube channel to help the Black community implement the various different AI tools out there into their workforce, into their personal lives, and into their business if they have one, or even using these AI tools to start a business. Now, before I get started with this tutorial, I want to apologize for the aesthetics. I'm currently on vacation with my family's disregard. After the new year, the aesthetics will go back up to par. All right. Now let's hop right into the tutorial. Today's tutorial is teaching you how to utilize ChatGPT 4 and implement and creating a content strategy for Instagram, specifically for Instagram. Now I'm using the same chat that I've used to create a brand strategy for a fictitious brand called Black in Yoga, which is a women's yoga apparel line for the African American community. All right, a fitness apparel line for the African American women apparel line. All right. So the reason why I'm using the same chat is simply because it already has the information that is needed in order to create a content strategy plan. And it's best to use that brand strategy information in order to create. If you haven't seen the video for the brand strategy and creating a name, go ahead and watch the first video. You'll be caught up and you'll understand where I'm leaving off from. Okay. And if you haven't done so, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. All right. Because these tutorials are definitely going to help you. All right. They're free and it's packed with valuable information, and it's free. So go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. All right. So just to show you, I am using the same chat from Black in Yoga's brand strategy plan. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and already copied my prompt to use to create the Instagram content strategy plan for Black in Yoga. So I'll go ahead and paste it in there. Ooh, no, I did not. Let's go ahead, go to my notes real quick, copy, and then I'm gonna go back here, Command V, paste it, and all right, and I'm going to read the prompt that I'm using. Using all the following information above for Black in Yoga's brand strategy, write a detailed and concise Instagram strategy to grow their followers from 0 to 1,000 exponentially weekly for the first quarter of the year 2024, which includes January 1st, 2024 to March 31st, 2024. In this Instagram strategy, write what days Black in Yoga should post and what Black in Yoga should post to get awareness on their brand. Please use tubular and highlighted bullet style format. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and send this message off. And ChatGPT is doing this thing. All right. Just while we're waiting, I use ChatGPT 4, which is the plus, which is $20 a month. If you don't want to spend the $20 a month, you can use ChatGPT 3. Use the free version of ChatGPT. All right. You don't have to pay if you don't want to pay. If you want to just get a handle on using ChatGPT, if you haven't started using it, you don't have to worry about paying for the premium. Now, if you want to go ahead and hop into getting the premium, you can go right ahead. There are some benefits of paying $20 a month for it, and in future videos I will go over tutorials on what you can do with the premium plan, all right, of ChatGPT. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you what ChatGPT responded to. All right, so To effectively grow Black in Yoga's Instagram followers from 0 to 1,000 in the first quarter of 2024, a strategic and engaging content plan is essential. This plan will focus on showcasing the brand's unique identity, engaging with the target audience, and leveraging Instagram's features for maximum impact. All right, Instagram strategy for Black in Yoga January 1st to March 31st, 2024. Overall approach: utilize a mix of visually compelling posts, stories, reels, and IGTV content. Emphasize the brand's core values, cultural significance, and empowerment of African American women in fitness. Now, the brand core values are in the brand strategy up above. All right. Foster community engagement through interactive content and consistent communication. Now, that's another reason why I'm utilizing the same chat that I created the brand strategy for Black in Yoga, because ChatGPT, with all the different chats that you create, it's hard to keep up with. All right, so go ahead and use the same chat. If it's specifically to that business, just use the same chat so that you can find the information, like emphasizing the brand core values. If you forget your brand's core values, it's already in that chat. All right, so January, brand introduction and engagement. Post days daily. That's a lot of posting. Themes and content. All right, so Monday is motivational quotes. Start the week with empowering messages related to yoga and fitness. Tuesdays is product spotlights. Highlight key products with engaging visuals and stories. Wednesdays is wellness tips. Share yoga and wellness tips that resonate with the audience. Thursday, Throwback Thursday. Post about the history and cultural significance of yoga in the African American community. Friday, Fashion Fridays. Showcase the stylish aspect of the apparel, including fashion tips. Saturday, customer stories. Share testimonials or user-generated content. All right. And then Sunday, behind the scenes. Give followers a glimpse into the brand's world, including design, process, and team insights. And then you got February. All right. February is community building and visual storytelling. You're posting daily. March is brand growth and promotion, which you're posting daily. All right. Cross-month strategies. Let's go over that. I'm going to read that to you guys. Regular engagement, prompt responses to comments and DMs to build a loyal community. That is important. All right. I cannot stress this enough. Hashtag strategy: use targeted hashtags to reach a wider audience and increase discoverability. Collaborations: partner with influencers or similar brands to tap into new audiences. Analytics reviews: continuous monitor Instagram insights to understand what content works best and adjust accordingly. Consistent aesthetic: maintain a visually appealing and cohesive feed that reflects the brand's identity. Then it gives you additional notes. Adaptability: be ready to tweak strategies based on real-time feedback and engagement trends. And story highlights: create highlights for easy access to key content like product info, testimonials, and yoga tips. By following this strategy, Black in Yoga aims to effectively utilize Instagram to build a strong following, create a sense of community, and enhance brand awareness, particularly among its target demographic of African American women in fitness. All right, folks, so that is using ChatGPT on creating an Instagram content strategy plan. All right, look, these tutorials are free. People are charging lots of money on how to use the various different tools out there, and creating and starting a business and things of that nature, implementing it. Again, these prompts that I use are going to be in the descriptions below. So make sure that you copy and paste, make the tweaks to the prompt, and utilize it to create your strategy plan. All right. Again, there's videos, there's a tutorial on how to use ChatGPT for Facebook content strategy, LinkedIn, YouTube, and these tutorials are going to continue to go forward on using ChatGPT, Bard, and all the numerous, there's thousands upon thousands of AI tools that are out there to help you utilize them and create a business, or to implement these AI tools into your business. All right. So make sure, again, that you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. All right. And again, I would like to apologize for the aesthetics. Hey, I'm on vacation and I'm just making sure that I continue to deliver these tutorials in a timely manner and on a weekly basis. Doesn't matter where I'm at. If it's quiet, I'm going to go ahead and make the tutorials. All right. Until the next tutorial, peace.